Just a minute. We need milk and powder. My favorite. 2 tablespoons. Now let's add baking soda. Let's add it. Happily mix. Happy to make a cake. Mix. Next, we will add icing sugar. My favorite. Let's add it. Looking like ice, right? It's great, it's my favorite, and it's yummy. Next! Now I will add milk meat. Wow! Add half spoon of vinegar. Let's add it. Little bit color mix. Now we will add vanilla essence. Sprinkle. Put it in the oven. Come on. It's hot. Today we will send you the video. Bye bye. So you can watch.